Click on the link below to get price. The 12L/Day Dehumidifier for home damp with digital humidity display has emerged as a strong contender in the market of home dehumidifiers, especially for those facing the challenges of excess moisture in their living spaces. With a capacity to extract up to 12 liters of water from the air daily, this device is particularly well suited for medium-sized rooms, basements, or any area that tends to retain dampness. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its digital humidity display. This feature allows users to monitor the current humidity level in real time, enabling them to adjust settings according to their needs. The display is easy to read and provides clear feedback on the operational status of the device, including the current humidity level, target humidity, and the status of water collection. This intuitive interface makes it accessible for anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, and eliminates the guesswork often involved with traditional dehumidifiers. The design of the dehumidifier is also commendable. It has a modern aesthetic that blends well with various home decors, and its compact size means it won't take up too much space, making it an ideal choice for those with limited room. The unit is lightweight yet robust, allowing for easy movement from one room to another as required. This portability is particularly useful for users who might want to target specific damp areas at different times. In terms of functionality, the continuous drainage option is a significant advantage. This feature allows the dehumidifier to be connected to a standard drainage pipe, enabling continuous operation without the need to manually empty a water tank. This is especially beneficial for individuals who may forget to check the tank regularly or for those who are using the device in spaces like basements where water accumulation can be frequent. The setup for this drainage system is straightforward, and the provided instructions make it easy to connect the unit to a drain point. Performance-wise, the dehumidifier does not disappoint. The 12L extraction rate is efficient for the design and size, working quickly to remove moisture from the air, which is particularly noticeable in areas with high humidity levels. Users have reported significant improvements in the air quality of their homes, with reduced mustiness and a more comfortable living environment. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with allergies or respiratory issues, as excess moisture can exacerbate such conditions. Noise levels are another critical aspect of a dehumidifier's performance, and this model operates fairly quietly. While it does produce some sound during operation, it is not disruptive and can be comfortably used in bedrooms or living spaces without causing disturbances. The unit also includes a number of safety features which enhance its usability. For instance, it has an automatic shutoff function that kicks in when the water tank is full, preventing overflow and potential damage to your home. This feature gives peace of mind, especially for those who may leave the unit running when they are not at home. One minor drawback of the 12L/Day dehumidifier is that while it is efficient for medium-sized rooms, larger spaces might require multiple units for optimal results. If you are working in a particularly large area or a highly damp environment, it might be worth considering a higher capacity model or supplementary units to ensure thorough moisture control. Additionally, while the digital display is a great asset, some users might prefer more detailed information, such as temperature readings, which are not provided. In conclusion, the 12L/Day dehumidifier for home damp with digital humidity display is a reliable and efficient appliance for anyone looking to combat excessive moisture in their living environment. Its combination of user-friendly features, continuous drainage capability, and effective moisture removal makes it suitable for a variety of settings. While it has some limitations in terms of capacity for larger areas, its overall performance and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment for those dealing with damp issues. With improved air quality and comfort, this dehumidifier is a solid choice for enhancing the living conditions in any home plagued by humidity. Whether you're dealing with a musty basement or simply trying to maintain a comfortable